Hello, viewers. This is Robert here. Hashtag Cuisine of Family. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and make sure to subscribe and like. If you like what you see, definitely comment. Okay. Anyway, this channel is all about computer technology and information, all that stuff. I will be taking you through in dealing with stuff on designing and how to tackle troubleshooting computers, phones, Android phones, and whatnot. And there will be also some life experience videos on the channel. So, I'm really happy to do this because, like, there are people who are still in the analog era. For example, I have analog era parents. Oh man, I'm sorry. Okay. Anyway, these guys don't know nothing on the computer world. You'll be trying to tell them, hey, you can do this, you can just go to the website and search and do blah blah blah, but these guys don't get anything because they don't have any basic information. But at Senior Education Center, we offer all the basic information you need. Actually, on the 6th of April 2021, this year, we're actually starting a program on the computer packages. We're offering 10 computer packages instead of the normal 6 at a very fair price, which is 8,000 Kenyan shillings. So guys, come, let's learn, enjoy, and have fun. I guarantee you success and the great knowledge available on the basic. Welcome and karibu sana. Cheers.